Restaurants have been hit hard again as well, many of them having to shut down not only because of the weather, but now they're under a boil water order. Rebecca Lopez spoke with restaurant owners who are hanging on despite a pandemic and now a devastating winter storm.
They are barely making it through a pandemic, and this week many restaurants had to shut down again. Mary Perez owns Enchiladas Olé in Fort Worth and North Richland Hills.
We were not able to open the North Richland Hills location because they have a water boil ban.
Most water boil orders won't allow restaurants to open because it's not safe. John Bonnell owns several restaurants in Fort Worth.
It comes down to hand washing, things that come through your Coke machine, that's city water supply, iced tea, coffee, anything hooked up to water. Hand washing especially is a big one.
Bonnell says only about 5% of restaurants in the Metroplex were able to open this week. Perez says she's lost a lot of business this week.
Valentine's Day, both locations, and then this whole week that we just opened, a good, easy 75,000, 100,000 between both restaurants.
Because they couldn't open, most restaurants lost their inventory and had to throw away food. Health rules won't allow restaurants to give uncooked food away.
You know, you just can't keep it, so you got to start new when you reopen.
Perez says she was able to open her Fort Worth location today. The water there is fine and the power is on.
Not only are we open for business, but we are also open to serve families and people who have gone without water and food this whole week.
Open and giving away food to those who are suffering more.
We made 1,300 sandwiches for the Presbyterian Night Shelter because those guys had their kitchen down overnight when their power was out for a couple of days.
Most local mom and pop places won't make it through both the pandemic and the brutal winter storm. So restaurant owners are asking people to support the small independent restaurants. So maybe, just maybe, they can survive.
So glad that y'all were open.
In Fort Worth, I'm Rebecca Lopez.